Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss grammar section under which we will study pronoun. Let's begin with its definition. Words like he, she, they, us, we and so on that replace a noun are called pronouns. It means if the words is used to replace a noun, it is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, whose, who, etc. There are different types of pronoun. First is personal pronoun. Pronouns used to replace nouns representing a person are known as personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, they and we are personal pronouns. For example, I am a girl. In this sentence, I is personal pronoun. He is a boy. In this sentence, he is personal pronoun. They are going to market. In this sentence, they is personal pronoun. Now we will study possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used to express ownership or possession. Mine, ours, yours, their, his and hers are possessive pronouns. For example, this pen is mine. Here in this sentence, mine is possessive pronoun. This house is ours. In this sentence, ours is possessive pronoun. That book is yours. In this sentence, yours is possessive pronoun. Now, demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns used to show or point out a person or thing are called demonstrative pronouns. If a pronoun is used to show a person or thing, then it is called demonstrative pronoun. Just like these, that, those and these are demonstrative pronouns. This is a doll. In this sentence, this is demonstrative pronoun. That is your house. In this sentence, that is demonstrative pronoun. These books are mine. In this sentence, these are demonstrative pronoun. Those books are yours. In this sentence, those are demonstrative pronouns. Now, interrogative pronouns. What is interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronouns are used to make a question. Just like if pronoun is used to make a question, it is called interrogative pronoun. For example, what, who, which, whom, whose, etc. are its example. What is this? In this sentence, what is this? In this sentence, what is interrogative pronoun? Who are you? In this sentence, who is interrogative pronoun? Which color is this? In this sentence, which is interrogative pronoun? Whom do you want to give this book? In this sentence, whom is interrogative pronoun. Now we will study reflexive pronoun. If the pronoun is used when the doer of the action is the same as the person or animal on which the action is performed, it is reflexive pronoun. For example, herself, themselves, himself. These are the examples of reflexive pronoun. The little girl smiled as she saw herself in the mirror. In this sentence, herself is reflexive pronoun. Children must learn to do their work themselves. In this sentence, themselves is reflexive pronoun. Now, himself. The airline manager blamed himself for the delay. In this sentence, himself is reflexive pronoun. Now, children, we will study emphatic pronoun. If the pronoun is used for emphasis, it is called emphatic pronoun. For example, myself, yourself, ourselves, etc. If the pronoun is used to emphasize something, it is called emphatic pronoun. I myself showed you the method to solve this problem. Here, in this sentence, myself is emphatic pronoun. You yourself need to explain this to me. You yourself need to explain this to me. In this sentence, yourself is emphatic pronoun. We ourselves talked to the secretary. Over here, the ourselves is emphatic pronoun. Now, we will study relative pronoun. Children, if the pronoun is used to combine or relate sentences together, it is called relative pronoun. Example, who, whom, that, etc. People who live in cold region have to wear thicker clothes. People who live in cold region have to wear thicker clothes. In this sentence, who is used to relate or combine sentences. Here, who is relative pronoun. The man whom you meet is my uncle. The man whom you meet is my uncle. Here, whom is relative pronoun. This is the toy that she gifted me. This is the toy that she gifted me. In this sentence, that is used to relate here, so that is relative pronoun. Now, I hope that you all students have understood what we learned in this video. If you have any problem, you can ask me in WhatsApp group and I will try to clear your doubts. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.